Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Truth Shots with Kapil. Let me start with some good news. Delhi finally looks like it is back from COVID phase 2. Everything is starting to open up. People are out. People are going to their offices. Restaurants have opened up now, so some of the people are actually going out to the restaurants. Mountains have started seeing traffic jams because people are going out to the mountains. So life is slowly but surely starting to come back. While all that is happening, and while that is really good news, I want to ask people right now, are you happy doing work from home? And I'm not just asking for your personal satisfaction, whether you enjoy the work-life balance as it exists right now, whether you are really having a good time interacting with your kids and your family, or whether it is that you miss office. That's not really what I'm asking. What I'm really trying to get to is, do you really think work from home is going to be sustainable in the long term? Let me ask it differently. For some of you, you may be working in technical fields where you work in silos. You get assigned a specific piece of work and then you are given a certain amount of time to finish that piece of work, and you submit that piece of work that then goes into something else. And it's great. You can continue to work from home. Nobody would miss you in office, and you probably wouldn't miss the office as much. Of course, aside from all the personal interactions that you might be having. But for everybody else, do you really think you will have a job at the time when work from home goes away? To say differently, when corporate greed comes back, when people actually are given targets to look at which employee should stay and which one should not, which is productive and which one is not, which is efficient and which one is not, would you really have your job? I want you to look at what you do, look at the time that you spend, look at the output that you deliver very closely. Look at your organization and answer that question for you. Do you really think in the long term in work from home you will have a job? And for those of you who are starting to think, those of you who know deep inside that my company can avoid or make do without me, let me tell you, very soon corporate greed is going to be back. We are already seeing numerous examples of that. Just today, Morgan Stanley's CEO said, well, I expect everybody to come to office by September or else. Well, you may be else. So, we at OM Logic have opened up. Well, we've been open for most part of the lockdown, but now most of the people are starting to come back to office. Those who care, those who are worried, those who want to take preventive action, let me assure you, they have taken at least the first dose of COVID, and some of them have taken both doses of COVID vaccine. So it's not like people are being callous or careless or casual about things, unlike me. But they are starting to take precautions and they are starting to come back. Some of them will wear a mask all day in office. Some of them will not eat with others. People will take their own precautions and they will handle things their own way. But really, it is time for you to consider giving up staying inside houses, giving up living in the luxury and comfort of, however you are doing right now, and start making your way back to work. I am not asking you to do this because of a mental health issue. I am not asking you to do this because, you need to care about something, but care about your career, care about your job, and care about whether you will have one as you go forward. I understand it's a tough subject. I understand some of you really will dislike the message that I'm giving here. But guys, it is time to go back to office. Okay? I'll really love to interact with you guys more on this. Come back, give your feedback, ask your questions. I know some of you would want to abuse me for this. I'm open to that. So, see you next time. Have a good one.